Hi, this is Janelle from Emmaline Bags, and today I'm going to show you how to install one of our script labels onto one of my Trifecta zip bags. I'm making the medium-sized bag, and I want to put the label right in the corner over here, just like that, on this piece of fabric that I've already cut out. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to put on one of these. The labels come in a package with 2 screws and a washer, and the iridescent rainbow ones all look different. This one's a little bit more green, this one's a little bit more blue. I've picked out this one to go on my bag. It's got a lot of purple on it. And these actually come in 6 finishes. So there's copper, nickel, gold, antique brass, gunmetal, and this one here. And I want it right in the corner, just like that, just like this one is off to the side. So what's unique about these is that the receptacles for the screws are actually not level. This one here is halfway up the H and this one's on the D, and when I had them designed, I did them that way so that we wouldn't be able to see them as easily from the front. We did have another style that worked with rivets and it wasn't as strong, so I changed the mold and made them like this, and they're working really well. I love the way they sit on the bag, and they're fun and easy to put on. So if you just went and took the washer and, like you would a normal label, and put it on straight and put your pen marks in, when you went to put the label on, it would actually be crooked. So what we do instead is we use this for our placement. So what I like to do is I just take the label and I get it really nice and straight and press it and make indentations on my fabric. This works on vinyl or any fabric, just like that. You can see it makes the indentations. But have your pen ready, a washable pen or one that erases with water. Of course, I'm bad and I use an ink pen, but go like so and get it straight. And if you can't see the marks really well, another way to do it is actually to just get a pen and draw right below the screws, where the screws go in. I've already pre-marked this and I know I'm happy with where it is, so now I'm going to go ahead and punch the holes. So I've got my cutting board and my punch. A lot of people have the punches that are the plier type and they work really well, but I usually use the hammer and punch this way. There's 2 different kinds. There's this single punch that's say number 4, or we also have these multi punches. It's a mini punch set where you can actually screw and unscrew different sizes. So for my rivets I use the 1/8 of an inch size, and for bigger things I like to use this one. It's about 4 millimeters. So get it right on my marking and give it a good whack. It cuts so easy, it just takes one little whack of the hammer. All right, so we'll test it for fit. And that looks gorgeous. So from the back, we can see the receptacles poking through. If you had foam or a thicker fleece, these might not come through all the way because they're sort of meant for thinner fabric. So I've provided longer screws so that you can even get this label onto a really thick bag. I don't have a thick bag this time. It's just thin, basically vinyl and a little bit of interfacing. So I'm going to add some fleece backing, and that'll help make it nice and snug and tight. I've already punched the holes in those, and basically all I did was use my washer and mark the holes with a pen and punch them out the same way I did with this guy. Okay, so you're going to want to glue this onto your bag as well. So all you really need to do is just put a few drops on here and kind of smear it around. You have to be really careful. You don't want to get it in those little holes, though. I'm just going to do it without glue just to save time. You get the idea. So all we need to do is put our washer on and our screws. If you put the screw in and it's not getting quite tight enough, just add another layer of fleece, because, as I said, these screws are a little bit long to accommodate thicker bags. It's really important that we do that now, because a lot of people are using a lot more cork and vinyl and leather, and we have to kind of change our hardware style to accommodate thicker projects. Another thing I like to do is put a piece of interfacing or fleece over the back to protect it and make it nice and smooth. And there we are. Isn't that gorgeous? I love these so much. All right, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. We have lots of video tutorials listed on our website right under the tab at the top that says hardware installation. Visit us at emmalinebags.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our video channel.